Hey guys, how are you all? Xiaomi has scheduled a launch event in India on 17 July where the company will be launching much awaited Redmi K20 and Redmi K20 Pro. However, the company has come up with a new sales strategy that enables potential buyers to get a hands-on the smartphone before they officially go on sale. The company has announced an alpha sale for the Redmi K20 series smartphone in India. Under this sale, interested buyers can pre-book either the Redmi K20 and Redmi K20 Pro smartphone by paying just Rs 855 from the 12th July. Those users will then be granted special access to complete the purchase process on 17 July, and the users will be allowed to choose any variant of the smartphone during the purchase process. Also, a discount of Rs 855 will be automatically added during the checkout, as they would have already paid Rs 855 to pre-book the smartphone. So if you are one of those who wants to buy the Xiaomi smartphones but are frustrated with the company's flash sale method, where usually most of the users don't get to buy the phone, so this is the best chance. You must grab this. If you are really looking to buy these two phones, or if you're really looking to buy one of these phones, then this is a golden opportunity. You should utilize it. Links are given in the description. From there you can pre-book this phone. So this is all about the pre-booking and buying Redmi K20 and K20 Pro, the most awaited smartphone of 2019. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.